Good morning, students. In the previous class we see about economic of development and planning. In that we saw that traditional approach and the economic growth and the difference between the economic growth and the economic development. Now we are going to see determinants of economic development. Determinants of economic development. Economic development depends on social, political and religious factors. Social, political and religious factors. First, now economic and non-economic factors. First one we are going to see economic factors. First one, natural resources. First one, the economic principal factor affecting the economic growth is affecting the development is natural resources. Is the natural resources. A country having the efficient natural resources may not be the position of the developed rapidly, but the country like Japan is not having as much natural resources, and they are purchasing their technical and economic technology with the help of technology. They are purchasing their resources by their technology. Second one, capital formation. Capital formation. Capital goods with the tangible goods like machinery, plants and also health, intangible goods like health, then sanitation, then education, research, etc. Capital formation helps to increase productivity of labor and thereby production and income. Helps to increase income, labor and production. Next one is size of the market. Large size of market would increase the national per capita income. Increase the national per capita income. Structural change. Here structural change means it depends upon the primary sector and the secondary sector and the tertiary sector. That is, primary sector means agriculture and husbandry, animal husbandry, and forestry. Secondary sector means production, constructions, tertiary sector. Trade, banking, commerce. Next one is financial system. Existence of efficient and organized banking system. Existence of efficient and organized banking system. Marketable surplus. Earning income. Raises purchasing power, production, employment, output. First one, economic factors of economic development, that is, first one is natural resources. Second one is capital formation. Capital formation is to increase the income and labor production. Next one, size of the market, increases the national per capita income. Then one, structural change. Structural change of the economic factors is, first one is primary sector, that is agriculture, animal husbandry and forestry. It should increases or it should promote agriculture and animal husbandry and forestry, promotes the economic growth. Then secondary factor is, sector is production and construction should promote our economic development. Then tertiary sector means trade, banking, commerce is very much useful for the economic development. Next one, sixth one is financial system. Existence of efficient and organized banking system helps for the economic development in industrialized and for the economic growth in our country. Next one, marketable surplus. Marketable surplus means earning incomes from the production. That is, by earning incomes from in the market, the purchasing power and employment and output is also increases in the market. So our economic development is also increased. Next one is foreign trade. Foreign trade. is always developed the foreign trade. Next one, economic system. Economic system, the country which adopt free market mechanism enjoy better growth rate. Free market mechanism enter free growth rate, better growth rate, market. Controlled economic countries. Okay. Foreign trade, favorable trade balance of trade is always developed, then the foreign trade is also increases. Next one, economic system, free market enjoy better growth rate and compared to the controlled economic countries. Free market means LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization means it enjoys it will gives the economic development for our country. Next one is non-economic factors. Here human resources means a well-grown human capital increase the economic development of our country. Then here human development means a health, educated and also skilled labor force. It indicates health, educated and skilled labor force. Next one, technical know-how. Here a scientific technical knowledge, advances of scientific technical knowledge increases our economic development and the productivity levels of our country increases technical and productive level of a country. Next one, political freedom. Okay. Process of development is linked with the political freedom. Development is linked with the political freedom. For example, a major cause of the poverty in India in the British rule is they drain our wealth to their country and they sell their products in our country for higher prices. That is the major reason for poverty in the British rule. Next one is social organization. Here only rich people are participating in development. This is called crony capitalism. Corruption free administration. Next one is corruption free administration. Corruption is the negative process in the growth of our country, economic growth of our country. So, here unless countries root out the corruption, we cannot improve our country. Then the crony capitalists and traders will continue to exploit our natural resources. Here the crony capitalists and corruptors exploit our national resources. Next one, desire for development. Here the people is interested in increasing our development, and their standard of living. Then only the country's economic growth is also developed. If they are not interested in it means the country and their individual growth is also absent. Next one, seventh one is moral, ethical and social values. Moral, ethical and social values. This is according to the people's honest and market condition. Okay. Next one is eighth one, casino capitalism. If the people spend their money lot for liquor and other illegal activities, means it is the casino capitalism. Positive attitudes may suffer. Here positive attitudes may suffer. So this is known as casino capitalism. They are spending much for the illegal activities. The ninth one is patrimonial capitalism. Illegal activities. Then patrimonial capitalism. Here, if the assets of the parents is easily sent to their children, means they did not know the value of the asset. So, they do not know the value, hence the productivity will be low as per, hence the productivity is low. That is patrimonial capitalism. Okay. Non-economic factors means first one is human resources. Lack of human resources affects the economic developments of the country. That is health, educated and skilled labor force. Lack of health, educated and skilled labor force affects the economic development. Then technical norms increases technical and productive level of our country. Then political freedom means development is linked with the political freedom. Next one, social organization. Only rich people are participating in the development. Poor people cannot participate in the development of our country because they are attaining the poor life standard of living. So, crony capital, this is known as the crony capitalism. Then corruption free administration. Crony capitalism as well as the corrupted exploit our national resources here. Then desire for development. Desire for development means it is according to the individual person. If the person work hard or he is interested in developing his own economy in his life, means then the nation also develop their economic. Then moral, ethical and social value means people's honest, here it indicates people's honest and market structure. Then next one, casino capitalism. Casino capitalism means spending money for illegal activities. People sending money for illegal activities like liquor, drug addicts, etc. Then patrimonial capitalism. Patrimonial capitalism means the children's getting assets from their parents without working hard. So, if the assets came to the children like this, means they do not know about the productivity, they do not know about the value of the asset. So, here the productivity is low. These are all the non-economic activities of the economic developments. Okay students, in this class we see economic activities and non-economic activities to develop the for the economic development. Economic activity factors means natural resources, capital formation, size of the market and financial system, marketable surplus and foreign trade economic system. Non-economic factors means non-economical factors means these are all the non-economic factors: human resources, technical know-how, political freedom, social organization, corruption free administration, desire for development and moral, ethical and social values. Next one is casino capitalism and patrimonial capitalism. These are all the non-economic factors that affects the economic development of our country. Next class we are going to see about vicious circle of poverty. Thank you students.